Soft, gooey egg, chewy noodles. This, guys, is like the best midweek noodle dish ever. Okay, so I'm using these udon noodles today, and these ones are from the fridge section and they're already partly cooked. So all you need to do is soak them and then don't touch them. Let them do their thing just for a little while until they start to soften up. And just while those noodles are soaking, I'm gonna get my spices ready. So cumin seeds and Sichuan peppercorns are a very classic Chinese combination and they go really well with lamb. So lucky we're doing lamb with our noodles today. So I'm gonna dry roast these whole spices, and you could use ground spices in this if you wanted to do it super quick, but it only takes an extra couple of minutes, and the extra flavor you get from fresh ground spices is unbeatable. Okay, so I think they're looking pretty good. Get those into my mortar. Okay, now I just want to grind these to a fine powder. Okay, now let's take a look at our noodles, and just want to really gently sort of just persuade them to come apart. Because I'm going to stir fry them, I really want to make sure I don't overcook these at this point. So as soon as they've broken up, I'm going to take them out, pop them into a bowl. And now to keep these noodles from sticking and clumping together, I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil, and that's also going to give us a really nice flavor as well. Toss those through. So I've got some Asian greens here, I've got some Chinese spinach, I've got some young kale or some young gailan, and some baby bok choy as well. But you could use whatever greens you've got in your fridge or that you prefer. And I just want to finely slice all of these. Now when it comes to any of these Chinese vegetables that have a very thick and firm stem, what you want to do is use your knife to gently sort of slice across the diagonal, and that way you're going to make sure that all of the green vegetables cook together, the leaves, the stems, everything. And now the baby bok choy. Okay, so now time to get everything stir fried. I just want a little bit of oil and some garlic. Oh, I love that smell when the garlic hits the oil. Okay, and I've just got some thin slices of lamb fillet. Now you could totally use beef, pork or chicken in this as well. And now a bit of wok technique here. So whenever you're adding protein, spread it out in the wok so that you're getting as much of that meat surface coming into contact with the wok as possible. Now I want my dried spices. Oh, that smell already is so good. Okay, now time for our big bowl of greens. Ah, feels so virtuous already. And now the noodles. And then we're going really simple with the sauces for this one. Just some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. I just want to give that a good mix through. I love this color. I love all that green. My noodles are beautifully chewy and soft without being soggy. Yum, and I can smell those whole spices. Ah, beautiful. Okay, we are ready to go. Okay, noodles, yum, some of that greenery. And then because everything tastes better with a gooey fried egg, I'm gonna pop one of those on top. And for a little extra spice, I'm gonna use some of my homemade chili oil to drizzle all over the top. You could just use chili flakes, or you could just leave this out altogether, but you know, I just love a little bit of spice. And then a few chopped spring onions. And that, my friends, is something really special for a midweek noodle dish. So easy and yet so delicious. You guys are gonna love this one.